Y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's J.Lashae, and today I'm going to be showing you how I finesse my bun, donut, whatever you want to do. So yeah, stay tuned, watch my video, and you will see what I do. So first, I'm going to take my hydrator, and I'm going to mix my hair down because snappy roots, as you can see. But yeah, I'm going to come back when I get my hair all mixed down and stuff. So I won't be taking up too much time because, yeah. So I'm going to come back when I mix my hair down, and then we'll get started.
What we do here is go back.
Tails, man.
Mm.
What we do here is go back.
I had to have this, baby. You know what I'm saying? Buying them for once you run out. Let me get enough in case you run out. Yeah. I'll make that about too late 100, baby. He charged 75. I charged them goddamn almost 200 grand. Hey, why I tell you get out of there?
So y'all, I just finished retwisting. I just did the first 2 rows. You can do the first 3, first 2. You can just even do the first row if you feel like it. But I just got done retwisting the first 2 rows of my hair. So what I'm going to do now is separate these
What we
sides.
do here is go back.
Take this bun down that I made in the beginning. As you can see, I did not retwist the middle of my head. I'm gonna do this because this next step I have to stand up. Let me see what I can put y'all. Yes, I could do it like this. I'm still stand up though. But my hip, oh, damn hood.
What we do here is go back.
Make sure my ponytail straight. Alright. I'm gonna do my ponytail. My ponytail straight, so I'm going to be using so I'm putting on my donut. Soon as I can get all of my locks through it. It's the struggle. I need to give me a big one. I seen this girl. She had a big one. And I think this is going to be my last time using this. Let me get it on down. So I got it on. So now I'm just going to distribute my hair around it. Like this. So then I start like in the front. And I roll my hair. And I wrap it around my donut. I just keep gathering and rolling. So I get back around. But you just keep gathering and rolling. And gathering and rolling. You want to be twisting the hair as you go as well. Yeah. Tuck and tuck and tuck and tuck. And bam. If you just like to tuck your buns, you can leave your bun like this. I don't. I be having my handy dandy net. I wear my buns for up to a week, so I know my tucking is not going to stay when I'm asleep. So then I put on my net, and then I make it tight. I just twist it, and then I wrap that right on around. Then get me a rubber band. Bam, bam, boom. Yeah, that's how I finesse my hairstyle. Hope y'all like my video. Thank you for watching. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, make sure you like, share, comment. Yeah, do all that. So, thank you for watching my video. I'll be back at y'all with more. Wait, I'm going to show y'all my hair all the way around before I end this video. Yeah, so yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll be back at y'all with more videos. Peace.
What we do here is go back.